was a time in my life when I thought being strong meant being silent. I swallowed every ache, every disappointment, every quiet heartbreak, and hid them behind a practiced smile. I told myself, it's not a big deal. Others have it worse. Just keep going. So I kept going. I laughed at the right moments, listened to everyone's stories, and never told anyone that mine was slowly cracking inside. I wore my calm face like armor. People said, "You're so composed, so mature, so strong." They didn't know that every uncried tear, every unspoken truth was quietly sinking to the bottom of my chest like stones in deep water. Eventually, something strange started to happen. I stopped crying altogether. Not because I was healed, but because I was full. My heart felt heavy, but my eyes stayed dry. I began moving through my days like a shadow, doing what needed to be done, saying what needed to be said, but feeling almost nothing. I wasn't happy. I wasn't sad. I was just there. On the outside, life looked normal. On the inside, it was as if someone had gently turned down the volume on my emotions until everything was a dull, distant sound. Numbness can look like peace from far away, but it is not peace. It is the absence of color, the absence of aliveness. One evening, I couldn't pretend anymore. I sat alone in a dim room, rain tapping against the window, a small candle flickering beside me. And for the first time in a long time, I didn't distract myself. I didn't pick up my phone. I didn't push my feelings away. I just sat there and listened to the quiet noise inside me. My throat tightened, my chest burned, and in a shaky whisper, I finally said the words I had been avoiding. I'm not okay. That sentence didn't fix anything, but it did something gentle. It cracked the wall. The truth didn't arrive like thunder. It came like a candle being lit, fragile, flickering, but warm. In that small light, I realized my emotions were not my enemies. They were messengers I had been ignoring for years. Slowly, I started to do something I had never done before. I let myself feel. Not in private explosions, not in secret breakdowns, but in quiet, honest moments where I didn't run away from my own heart. When sadness rose, I stopped judging it. I let the tears fall, even if I didn't fully understand why. When anger appeared, I stopped calling myself bad. I asked, where does this hurt come from? What boundary was crossed? When loneliness surfaced, I stopped shaming myself for it. I placed a hand on my chest and whispered, "Of course you feel this way. You're human." The more I allowed my emotions to move through me, the less frightening they became. Feeling didn't make me weak. One morning, after a night of deep crying, I stepped outside. The air felt different, crisp, cool, kind. The sky looked wider, the colors looked brighter. It wasn't that my problems had disappeared overnight. It was that something inside me had unclenched. I realized that emotions are meant to move, like tides and waves and wind. When we lock them inside, they become heavy stones. But when we let them rise, swell, and finally break, they wash us clean. Every tear I had once judged, every feeling I had once buried, had been trying to carry me back to myself. Today, I no longer see my emotions as something to control or fix. I see them as waves passing through the ocean of who I am. Some days, the waters are gentle and bright. Other days, they are dark and stormy. But beneath every wave, there is a deeper stillness that does not break. That stillness is me. Every feeling that rises, grief, joy, jealousy, tenderness, rage, is a visitor, not my full identity. When I welcome each emotion with curiosity instead of shame, something sacred happens. My heart becomes a safe place for my own experience. The healing is not in pretending I am always okay. The healing is in allowing myself to be fully human. Every emotion is sacred. Every tear is holy. I am not the storm. I am the ocean that holds both calm and chaos, and still finds a way to shine in the light. This is the sacred weight of emotions.